What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. This is Descent Explorer. Welcome you back. Actually today it's just I want to test my adapter and mic. How's it working? Because I have a ride tomorrow, so let's see how does it work. I hope my voice quality improves. Let's go. Hello, welcome back. Winter, it's around 8:30 right now in Imphal. Earlier it used to be quite cold, but these days the weather has little bit improved, little warmer now, so that's why I'm not wearing gloves. And of course, looks like this mic works. I have to see the real when I check the real video on the laptop. Very good. That's how you cut a crazy rider, man. Actually, I am going to the gym right now. It's at Sangai Purok, the lifestyle gym and fitness. They say it's the largest in the northeast. I'm quite late right now. It's almost 9, and I have to be back to the factory for my work at 9:30. Let's see. Today I'm gonna work out on my back. I gotta do it little in a hurry. Not bad. Not bad. You want to cross? Okay. Oh. This was Tera. I don't know. Look at the people here today. How did I? Yeah, don't squeeze me, baby. People are so all crazily riding. I don't know what is the reason for. Look at this guy again. Maya ida layong hatanga. Again, look at him. Low rehe, everybody is riding like that. They're just crossing in front of you. One guy crossing from here, one guy crossing from here, one guy crossing from here. That is the funniest part. In Manipur, in Imphal especially, this is how people ride. Drive. They don't follow the rule at all. And if you say something, they'll stare at you like anything. That's very funny. But yeah, you have to follow your rules. If you think others should follow it, then I should follow it. Okay. Be careful. Now I can come. I have reached Lukram Lerak. I hope this adapter and the mic is helping me to cut the sound of the wind when you ride little bit faster speed. On the left is the mighty St. Joseph School for all boys school. So I gotta take left from here for Sangai Purok Mamang. Right now I'm in Sangai Purok morning. Nice. God bless you. Since today is Saturday, basically I'll tell you why I'm using this adapter mic, and in the morning I don't use it for a gym session in the morning, but because I have a ride tomorrow to Senapati. So I just wanted to check the voice quality and how does it fit. Is it okay? Because it's gonna be a long ride. It's gonna be a long ride with my Java motorcycle club, Manipur. So I will be doing some vlogging there. We are around 10 to 15 people going for that ride to Senapati. So it's gonna be fun ride tomorrow in the morning. For that you guys have to be alert, and you guys have to stay tuned for it. I love this road. One of the best roads. Hitting fast. So lifestyle fitness gym is on the left. Let's go, baby. This is it. Some sanitization. Got it. Thank you. I am very late taring asidi. Very wet. 9. Kita not salo. Hush, 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 hush. Oh, this is a gym. Let's go. Now I'm already late. It's almost 9:50. This Sangaipurok road to FCI, it's one of the worst road. They never make it. And look at this, this has been there for so many years. They didn't even bother of making it, because you see lots of trucks every day. I don't know how many trucks, hundreds trucks moves on this road. So this is like negligence from the government side. I don't know, but this is not good. This place also in just front of the St. Joseph. This road has never been maintained. Purpose of this vlog was just to check my mic and adapter whether it's working well or not. So this is it. I'm going to end my vlog here. Thank you for watching, guys. So tomorrow I have this very interesting ride to Senapati. So stay tuned for more, and I will be coming up with that vlog also. So I think it is going to be an interesting one. So stay tuned for more. Like, share, subscribe, guys, if you are new to this channel. This is Descent Explorer signing off. Bye bye.